Now, Temu better count their motherfucking days for sending me these press-on nails that ain't the same colors as Arizona Tea right? Now, welcome to Ugly Ass Nails. Well, I'm glad my knuckles are hairy and not my upper lip. And as y'all can see, I had to shave off a little bit of extra that dead skin with it, right? Here go a couple of things that I'm gonna use. I am using my instant cuticle remover this time because I don't know why I got hair dye stuck in my cuticles, but we gonna get it together, right? Period. But y'all know I be making wigs anyways. Now, for the most part, most of y'all know that I like to use this acrylic dip powder kit instead of glue. It does help my press-ons last up to 2 to 3 weeks, right? So this is the brush saver. This is just to make sure that the nail beds are sanitized after I am done doing the rest, right? Okay, so this is the base coat, this is the activator, number 1, number 2, and then this is the dip powder. I normally only use 1 coat of each, but this time I'm going to use 2, which was dope because these nails lasted 3 weeks with 2 coats. So base coat, dip powder, base coat, dip powder, then activator, right? Yeah. Let it cure for like 10 seconds and then put it on top of the nail bed, right? I put all of the product inside of the press-on because it's a lot less mess. If you put it on top of your nail bed, it's gonna be so messy and it's gonna look like ugh. We want these to kind of look like they're not press-ons, even though they are press-ons, right? Which is why you also see me cleaning up the outside of the cuticle, and that's just to get any extra acrylic that may have oozed out the side, right? Yeah, y'all, no lie, like I always say, like, these press-ons are ugly. But definitely, even with the different color change, the color variation, these are still really freaking cute, right? This was actually one of my favorite press-on sets so far, and y'all know I always show y'all me cleaning up. Gotta clean up, bitch, right? I also needed to clean up where I messed up my cuticle. I did go in a little bit too deep, right? So that's what you see me doing with the alcohol before I started filing my nails. And I'm just filing away that little piece that you guys always see on the press-ons. And wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Temu, right? Yeah. And again, these are so cute. Click the Temu link in my bio, right?